Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows 11 speak recognition not working accompanied by the error message is 0x80049dd3, and the error message when you are actually coming across this error alert, just say simply please try again later. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Open it. Click on other troubleshooters and scroll down. Select the recording audio troubleshoot to run guys. Hopefully this can able to resolve your problem guys. Close the troubleshooters, and if you have still having an issue, on left side you need to select privacy and security. On right side you need to scroll down guys. Here is app permissions. You just need to select the microphone, and you just need to check whether your computer access to microphone is turned on. Anyone using this device, you can choose their apps have microphone access when this is on. You just need to let apps access your microphone. You just need to turn it on as well. Choose your which apps can access your microphone. You just need to select it guys, and make sure any individual apps that may be using this are also toggled on. Position in here, you need to on position here. If video voice recording, you just need to turn on like this. If anything turned off, you just need to check whether you are using app is turned on. And after finishing this, that's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.